Got a significant tornado threat starting to develop. It's 11:15 p.m. Eastern time. So far we've not seen that many tornadoes. However, we're watching this one here too, Plo. And right here, that little hook echo right there. Look at the velocities. Look how close. Okay, right here, I'm really concerned. This could be a potential strong tornado right there. That could very well be a strong tornado heading right towards Shannon, Smithville. If we were time this out a little bit, this would be headed right towards them. And let's say this was moving at like 55 miles an hour. So Smithville, Cardsville, Carolina, Evergreen, Nettleton, Shannon, Pine Grove. You guys are going to be impacted this in less than 20 minutes. And I'm seeing this as a potential destructive storm. I actually have an invest on this storm, to be honest. This is some very impressive velocity. The storm velocity as well. We have a strong couplet in there. And I think that might be our first strong tornado trying to develop. Look at this. Look at this hook echo starting to develop. Very sharp. And look at this near Shannon. I'm becoming a little concerned. Hold up, let's take a look at the correlation coefficient. That might be the first sign of seeing a tornado right near Shannon. It's lining up with the radar. We just gotta wait for the velocity to update. But we are starting to see a tornado to the west of Shannon. This is significant. Anyways, back to our south near Jackson, we also have another area of interest. Well, where was that camera? Hold up. We had a great view on the storm. Where's that camera? I need it right now. It was just here before. I was taking a look at that storm literally just before. How could it not be here? What? Oh wait, the radars are turned off. I'm so stupid. Okay, the one near Jackson. Look at this. Look at this little inflow notch right in there. That's also a tornado threat potentially. Storm velocity. It looks very messy. However, this is warned for 80 plus mile an hour wind gust. Correlation coefficient not that impressive, but I'm watching this cell right there. Is this still warned for 80 mile an hour wind gust? Yes, it is. 80 mile an hour wind gust. Damage threat is destructive. Destructive severe thunderstorm warning. Also, we're watching an area of circulation right in here. This is towards to the north of Canton and Davis. I want to take a look at the velocity real quick. Yeah, not that much. Maybe that's like a radar hole or something. Otherwise, those are the two main areas of interest we're really watching for. This Tupelo storm is looking really concerning right now. Look at that debris ball near Shannon. Oh my god. Wow. Oh wow. This is a massive tornado. Massive tornado near Shannon. Oh my god. Yup, that is a massive tornado right near Shannon. Look at these reds and greens connecting together. Oh, yup, that is a tornado on the ground. That is doing damage. Yup, the correlation coefficient matches right in here. Yup, we got a large and destructive tornado on the ground near Shannon. Yup, we have our first official destructive tornado of the day near Shannon. This is a destructive tornado. You clearly see the inflow right in here. That little notch. Yup, that's a tornado. Oh my god. Yup, we have a monster on the ground right now. Again, if you're on the path of this tornado in Evergreen, Carolina, Cardsville, and Van Buren, wow, you just gotta take shelter right now. thank goodness there's not that many people living here. So, I mean, that's pretty good. Now, if we were to take a future track of where the storm could go, well, hold up. Say we go right here. There's quite a bit of population. This would be headed towards Hackelsburg. Oh my god, this is concerning. This is very concerning. Thank goodness this isn't near Tupelo because this could have been really bad. But the National Weather Service should upgrade this to a tornado warning confirmed, because you just see those velocities right here. That is a strong tornado present probably. And even if you don't have a strong tornado, this is some incredibly damaging wind coming down with this right now. Still some kind of hook right here. We're watching this tornado. I think it touched down though. I think it did. Back to our Jackson tornado here. Wait, is that a discrete cell trying to develop? Yeah, right here. There's trying some kind of discrete cell near Braxton. Oh, watching that too. Those have the biggest threat of producing strong tornadoes. As of the Jackson tornado, we're not seeing that much. It's mainly just that damaging wind threat for sure. However, these cells are really starting to increase, and I'm worried about this. The fact that we're seeing all this activity ahead of that main line, you see how it just blossomed? This is gonna be a sign we're gonna have a nocturnal tornado event, and I think we could definitely pull out a couple stronger tornadoes embedded in this overall event for sure. So this is quite the concerning event. Jackson, we're not seeing that much. Let's take a look here. Yeah, there is a tornado possible here. I'm gonna take a look at that for a few seconds. Mainly just straight line winds. Although there might be some kind of couplet here. I don't know. It's a very messy sight to see, so we don't really know. I mean, we can take a look right here. I mean, this is a very strong line. Very strong line. Is there still a tornado threat with this? I think it might have died down, but this is some very strong wind. Yes, so this tornado died down near Shannon, but I think there was a potential strong tornado in there. Let's back it up. Yeah, see right in here near Shannon, I think that could have been some strong velocities right there. We're gonna have to see what kind of damage reports comes out of that. But overall, these tornadoes are such short-lived. Like, I'm kind of shocked. I thought it was gonna be, let's see. We have to see. All these tornadoes are so far radar indicated. I do want to check at the velocities. Not really much. No, not that much. Storm velocity, not that much. I don't see a tornado touching down in Jackson, but again, watching that, so near Tupelo though, I'm a little afraid this could recycle. I'm a little bit afraid this could recycle, but I could be wrong. I could be very wrong. We have to see. It could recycle. They already put a tornado tag for this. So, this is moving northeast at 109 miles an hour. That's crazy. Wow, this supercell's really putting on the accelerators. Wow, that's 109 miles an hour. I'm kind of suspicious that there was a tornado in there. I'm kind of suspicious. Now 109 miles an hour moving northeast. That could have definitely been a tornado right in there. But if you guys are in Alabama or let's say Mississippi, we are gonna be dealing with the tornado threat. Nocturnal tornado threat for sure. Um, Especially once we get into this area, I think we could really be seeing EF2 pluses tornadoes trying to increase in this area. And this hatch risk, I really think we're going to start seeing these tornadoes elevate and ramp up significantly, because we're going to be seeing ahead of this line right here, we're going to be seeing several discrete supercells trying to develop. And that's what the NAM's showing, and the ARRR and every convected model. So I'm a little worried about later. We'll have to see. Over here near Starkville, I'm not sure if that's like a. I know that's probably like a scud or something. It's probably a scud. Here back to the tornado. I mean, there still could be something. It does look like it's trying to do something here. Right here. We got a strong signal right here. Just north to the Smithville. Wow, this is really strong. And if this put down a tornado, it would be strong. So if this was moving at 108 miles an hour, we have some population. Yep, we definitely do have population. Oh, goodness gracious. We did get a new warning here. Tornado possible. Okay, that's something to keep an eye out on. I don't know where. I'm kind of confused. Oh, back to the Jackson one. What's this? What's this above? What's this? I want to take a look at that. No, it's not a good sight because there's like radar holes right in here. Oh, but look at this. Oh wait, no, it died down. But I thought there was some kind of tornado in there. Oh my god, it switched back to the New Jersey radar. So annoying. But is there something in there? If we go back to the storm velocity. Could have been something in there. Very short-lived. You see, there's so many hook signatures. It's kind of concerning. I think we're going to be seeing a nocturnal tornado event throughout the evening. High resolution velocity in terms of the storms down here. Not seeing that much yet. But this could definitely change. Near 4 Road. I don't know, it's looking very scattered. Not really. But what's this? Or does it have velocity? No, probably not. I don't know. It's so hard to determine. Especially in this type of setup. This tornado warning that we were looking at earlier, let's take a look at the velocity here. It doesn't look like it's producing an immediate threat, but again, it can recycle and this thing will be strong again. I mean, you just looked at last time when it went right through Shannon, and this was a clear debris ball right in there. Yep, that was the debris ball. I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of boring, but it could definitely increase. There's trying to be signs of some kind of inflow into here again. The velocity. No, Not yet. Not yet. No correlation coefficient at all, though. So that tells something. Jackson tornado. Warning. I don't see much happening. It's just some very strong winds. We can take a look at a camera, though. Here, that Corey is live streaming.
Yeah, that one up there was on the ground for a little bit.
Right. Somebody gifted 10 memberships. Great! Thank you for gifting the memberships.
Awesome.
I think he might be driving.
That was on the ground.
I don't know. That's weird. But really watching these southern storms right in here. We could definitely see a couple tornadoes out of that. I see that happening for sure. Jackson, yeah. It's boring for now, but it can definitely pick up. It can definitely pick up. So, watching this. We are getting a little bit of rotation in here. Like this. We might have something trying to form somewhere in Evergreen. I don't know for a fact. It's hard to determine. But wait, what the heck is this? Not yet. I think it's mainly just outflow dominant for now. But this could produce another tornado. So far, this enhanced risk has been more like a slight risk. Nothing really enhanced about it. Yeah, you're starting to get some damaging wind. I'm starting to see that. But otherwise, it's not that impressive. That was going to be more impressive. Thought we would have several discrete supercells, EF2 plus tornadoes. Not looking like that. Unless if I'm wrong. Again, Alabama's a wild card here. We could still see some big time tornadoes in this area. Yeah. More like right in here. Yeah, like right in there. Southern side we really gotta watch. Because we could see some tornadoes trying to develop there. Paying attention to this one a little bit. It's a very messy environment down to the south. Oh. This radar hasn't updated in a while. Yeah, we did get a wind damage report here out of Shannon. Trees and power lines down in Shannon. Probably because that this tornado went through. I'm not sure if it was a tornado or what. I feel it was, but I can't be certain for sure. Here, let's take a look at the velocity. Not updated. Not updated. No. So far, these storms are not that bad. Which is good. Which is good. Again, if we take away that radar and go back to the north, right? It's a little bit of something trying to develop there. It's just we can't tell because of that radar hole. If you're too close to the radar, that's not good either. We can't see what's going on. However, something's catching my eye here. Because we went to the storm velocity and we started seeing a little bit of a couplet. Could that be a scud? I have no clue. But if we take a look at the correlation coefficient, it lines up. It's hard to tell, but could that be something? The reflectivity isn't picking up yet. I'm watching this. I think it was somewhere in here. There might be something trying to form. Just south of the tornado warning. Oh, it's so hard to tell. Oh my god, I hate these radar sites. They're like so bad. Yeah, I mean, quite like Mississippi quality, like, I'm not surprised. Here near the Fulton area, let's go take a look. The velocities are not updating at all. Correlation code. What the heck is this? Nope. Anything? Actually, there might. Oh wait, there is a tornado. There is a tornado near Van Buren. I think there's a tornado. I think it's recycling. Guys, I think there's a tornado. It looks a little weird, but I do see that inflow notch. I don't know. That could be another attempt of a tornado, and the tornado warning has been expanded. Interesting. This part of the line could be the tornado producer right now. But again, the south, we're really watching it. 11:37. Wait, where was that rotation, first of all? Right in here, right? So, I don't know. Bro, this is so confusing. But you see that little bit of a hook right here? Well, let's take a look at that. Dude, like, you cannot tell nothing out of that. It's so bad. No, probably nothing. So, bro, I don't like these radar sites at all. Here near Smithville and Tremont, Fulton, I have this storm the most concerning right now. If we take a look at the velocities right now. Oh, look at this. I think it's trying to wrap up. I'm seeing it. It's starting to wrap up in here. That is quite concerning. And you have a clear signature right near Van Buren. That could be a tornado. It's just we don't know yet. We need the first correlation coefficient to update, and then we can determine it. But that might be something right there. Oh, look at this. Look at that inflow notch. I think that's a tornado. I think that might be a tornado somewhere in here. High res velocity. Yeah, this could be a tornado. Is it though? Not sure. But this needs to be watched. Mostly a damaging wind to the south. Not really looking at much. Yeah, these are some very powerful winds. I'm surprised they didn't issue an 80-mile-an-hour wind gust destructive storm. In my opinion, it should. Interesting. still a radar indicated tornado near Jackson. It's not looking impressive. They did downgrade the severe storm warning in general, which means it's weakening. Oh yeah, guys, if you are in the northeast, first of all, we do have a high wind warning. This is damaging. What the heck? Oh, that's weird. But anyways, we have a high wind warning. For gusts up to 60 miles an hour tomorrow evening. This could cause a lot of damage to trees and outdoor objects. So just be mindful of that, because we do have damaging wind on the way from New Jersey. Very, very interesting. And a very, very dangerous storm.